One of the biggest questions I had before getting these Shameless gummy snacks was whether or not they actually taste good. And if they tasted like candy or if they tasted like one of those healthy snacks that will end up just sitting in your pantry and you never end up reaching for again. These are the Shameless Snacks Sour Mango Madness Gummies. Before I even open up the box, a few things caught my attention. You can see here, each bag has just 70 calories. 3 grams of sugar, 3 grams of net carbs, and according to the nutrition facts panel, has 26 grams of fiber. They're also labeled gluten-free and plant-based, and the coloring is from beta carotene. Let's open them up so you can see what they actually look like, and I'll give you my honest taste test review. Box comes with 6 packs of the gummies. It says these come with 26 grams of fiber. Test the waters before you dive into more bags. Trust us, your belly may thank you. I have actually seen people warning about that on videos on TikTok. Let's go ahead and open up these Shameless Mango Madness gummy snacks. Oh my goodness, they smell so good. I'm so excited. First thing I noticed is they actually look like gummies. They have that little sour coating on the outside. Gosh, my mouth is watering just thinking about it. Let's taste them. That's good. Now, if you're expecting that these are gonna taste identical to the same candy that you've been used to since you were a kid, it's not exactly like that, but it is pretty darn close. If you've been searching for a gummy candy because you have a sweet tooth like me, or you're a gummy connoisseur like me, but you also are concerned about your daily fiber intake and also not intaking too many sugars, then this is a great alternative to reach for. Personally, I could see myself reaching for these in my pantry whenever I want a little something sweet or a little something after dinner. I think these are definitely worth checking out.